I got this awesome non-expanding Kink-Free garden hose. The brand sent this over for me to try, and I wanted this because it's getting to be a little bit warm where I'm from, and I need to manually water my lawn until the automatic sprinkler system, the irrigation kicks on. And so this is a fantastic hose. My favorite thing about this thing is it is really, really light. This is not a heavy hose. For 100 feet, it is surprisingly light. It fit inside this box. It kind of coils up really nicely. It came with these rubber gaskets for the inside of the hose, and you can see it's a hose that's wrapped in this really nice sort of nylon material, and it has your standard hose connectors, which is just fantastic. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on and show you the kind of water flow we get through this, and I'll show you what that looks like. All right, so I've got this hooked up to a faucet here, and or a nozzle, excuse me, and you can see the hose is nice and full of water, and connects to my standard nozzle. And I just kind of want to show you the distance we can get on this. So if I fire, you can see really, really nice water flow, really nice stream from that. So this is putting out, enough water pressure to at least spray out that far, which is just fantastic. And again, I just love that this thing is wrapped in the nylon. I feel like that helps keep the hose tube itself safe from, the sun if it's sitting out in the sun or whatever. And just overall, just feels like a really nice, high quality hose. So thank you so much to the brand for sending this to me to try. I'm a big fan, and I would highly recommend it.